Who I have inside my top 10 running backs for the 2021 season will surprise you. Before we dive into my top 5 running backs, let's take a look at numbers 6 through 10. There is somebody here I would like to call out. It's Miles Sanders at number 7. With the hindrance of Coach Doug Peterson finally gone, I see Sanders shining in 2021. At number 5, it's Nick Chubb of the Cleveland Browns. He and his teammate Kareem Hunt finished as the running backs 10 and 11 in 2020, and Nick Chubb did so in 4 fewer games. He's proven to be the more efficient running back in this backfield, so I'm looking to see more workload from Nick Chubb in 2021. At number 4, it's Jonathan Taylor of the Indianapolis Colts. He finished his rookie year as the running back 8, and the Colts didn't even utilize him as much as they should have. Yet he still ended the season with the 3rd most rushing yards in the NFL. The Colts are looking for a new quarterback, so I expect this offense to revolve around Jonathan Taylor in 2021, and I'm expecting over 300 touches from him this season. My top 3 running backs should not surprise you. Let's start at number 3 with Derrick Henry. In back-to-back seasons now, he's had the most carries in the league, and he's been the rushing champion, including going over 2,000 yards in 2020. Now, he's not very involved in the passing game, but he doesn't have to be with how well he runs the ball. And number 2 is a running back that's a bit more well-rounded. I'm talking about Dalvin Cook of the Minnesota Vikings. He finished 2020 with the 2nd most rushing yards in the NFL, and he was a top 10 running back in the receiving category as well. Cook just finds himself in an offense that just produces for fantasy purposes. He scores a bunch of touchdowns. I don't see any of that changing in 2021, so that's why I have him at number 2. Speaking of well-rounded, it's the best running back in the league at number 1. I'm talking about Christian McCaffrey of the Carolina Panthers. Unfortunately, he was injured in 2020. He only played 3 games, so he might be a little out of sight, out of mind for a lot of people. But remember, he just put up 1,000+ yards in rushing and receiving categories in 2019. His backup, Mike Davis, was a top 12 running back in the NFL last season. So this offense obviously focuses around the running back position. So Christian McCaffrey is going to pick up where he left off in 2019 in 2021.